ba-ba here and an oink oink there. Peanut plant. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks deep. Taro plant. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks deep. Beet plant. 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks deep. Carrot plant. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks deep. Potato plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks deep. Donut plant. 1, 2. 2 blocks deep. Onion plant. 1 block deep. Candy plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks deep. Beet plant. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks deep. Carrot plant. 1, 2, 2 blocks deep. Parsnip plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks deep. Taro plant. 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks deep.
Robin's Farm Friends. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Robin wakes up to the rooster crowing. It's a beautiful day on the farm. Robin puts on her overalls and heads outside. She has lots to do this morning. Robin starts at the chicken coop to give the hens fresh grain and water. She collects some eggs in a bucket. She collects some eggs in a boot. She collects some eggs in a bucket. Next, Robin milks the cows in the barn. She fills the bucket right to the top. Robin notices that the sheep are looking extra woolly today. It's time for a trim. She shears the sheep and gives them a brand new look. They feel much better now. Oink, oink! Robin hears a sound coming from the pig pen. What could it be? It's some newborn piglets. The mummy pig is taking care of her babies. Welcome, little piggies. To celebrate, Robin gives the piglets broccoli. To celebrate, Robin gives the piglets party hats. To celebrate, Robin gives the piglets party hats. To celebrate, Robin gives the piglets a mud pie. To celebrate, Robin gives the piglets broccoli. To celebrate, Robin gives the piglets party hats. Snack time! Robin treats the farm animals to some sunflower seeds. Snack time! Snack time! Robin treats the farm animals to some watermelon. Snack time! Robin treats the farm animals to some carrots. Snack time! Robin treats the farm animals to some sunflower seeds. Then, Robin lets the animals outside to enjoy the sunshine. While the animals are outside, she cleans the barn with a pitchfork. While the animals are outside, she cleans the barn with a feather duster. While the animals are outside, she cleans the barn with a shovel. While the animals are outside, she cleans the barn with a pitchfork. While the animals are outside, she cleans the barn with a feather duster. Robin looks out over her farm and smiles. When the animals are happy, Robin is happy too. The end.
What?
Sheep.
No.
Sheep.
What?
Turkey. Turkey. Peacock. Peacock. Ostrich. Ostrich. Cow.
No.
Cow. Egg. Egg. Goose. Goose. Rain barrel. Rain barrel. Hen. Hen. Feed dispenser. Feed dispenser. Hen. 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 Egg. Rooster. Rooster. Rooster.
What? Beep. Beep.
Hey. 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 Storage shed. Storage shed. Shovel. Storage shed. Storage shed. Shovel. Hay. Egg.